Today, I'm going to be showing you guys the top 3 ways to earn Bitcoin for free. Yes, that's right. These are not scammy ways. These are ways you can earn Bitcoin for doing things that you're already doing on the internet. And we're talking about significant amounts. We're not talking about, the scammy faucets of 2018 where you went and click, and you might get 25 cents in a day. We're talking about actual returns that can add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars over a year's time. So let's get into the video. I'm going to show you guys the top 3 ways to earn Bitcoin for free in 2019. Okay, now one of the great things about all 3 of these is that you can share all of these with your friends. And when you share these with your friends, guess what happens? You actually make even more Bitcoin. So if you want to do that, if you want to learn how to make money with Bitcoin for free and share that with others to get even more Bitcoin, then make sure you stay and watch all 3 of these different ways. So the first way is Cash App. Now, Cash App is becoming one of the most popular ways for people to buy Bitcoin. Now, the way you get free Bitcoin with Cash App is basically just telling your friends about it. If any of your friends do not have the Cash App, it's very easy. All they have to do is download it with your link. I'll put my link up on the screen, or with your code, and they get $5. So why am I telling you this? Well, guess what, guys? When you're going home for Thanksgiving or you're going home for Christmas, most of your family does not have the Cash App. I would venture to guarantee almost everyone watching this video, you have members in your family who do not have Cash App. So all you got to do is when you're at Thanksgiving, when you're eating that turkey, pull out that phone. Everybody's going to be like, nah, chill, get off Twitter. And you're going to say, no, you guys download this Cash App, and they get $5 and you get $5 just for signing up. And then with that $5, it's very easy to convert that over to Bitcoin on the Cash App. So just think about it. If you had 20 aunties and uncles and grandpas and dads and moms and cousins' best friends and that one crazy aunt's 7th husband, if all of them are at Thanksgiving or Christmas, then you get 20 people to sign up. That's $100 for you basically doing nothing. You can even go take their phone and sign it up for them as long as they know, or even if they don't. So Cash App is a very easy way for you guys to earn Bitcoin for free by doing basically something you're already doing, which is talking to your family. All right, the number 2 way that you can earn Bitcoin for free for doing things you're already doing is with Lolli. I'm a big fan of this company. I've had the CEO on the channel before to discuss Lolli. I think this is one of the best things going on the internet right now, where you're able to make purchases you would normally make on the internet, or the interwebs as I like to call them, things like Priceline, Barnes & Noble, all kinds of stores in the middle. All you got to do is purchase on those websites and you earn Bitcoin for free. So you can see up here, I've made a couple online purchases lately. Right now I've got $10 in my account, so not a ton. I've already withdrawn before, so I had some money in here. I withdrew it to a wallet, so I got it off the Lolli website or off the Lolli server, whatever you want to look at that, the Lolli wallet, and I now have it in another wallet. So right now, I've got $10 I've earned over the last week for some purchases I made, probably on some travel. I can't even really remember what it was for, honestly, but all you got to do is go to lolli.com/ref/bitboy, and you can start earning. So it is an extension for Chrome, so you can see up here there's a little icon, and it's very easy. What happens is if you just go to a website that they work with, like let's say Barnes and Noble, and then you click that, okay, it is going to automatically populate up here in the corner, and it turns red. So all you got to do is click this and hit activate, and now all I've got to do is shop on the website like I normally would. And if I bought some books for my wife, because Mama Wild thinks she does love reading, now all of a sudden I get 3.5% back. If I bought her a couple of books, adds up to $100, I get $3.50 for doing something I'm doing anyways. This is going to be the way I do my Christmas shopping. I can guarantee you all of my Christmas shopping is going to be done using Lolli. That way I can get money back for the gifts that other people are like, oh, he's so kind-hearted. And I'm like, no snitches, I'm earning Bitcoin. So that's a very easy way for you to earn Bitcoin, is through Lolli. Now, if you come down here and look at some of the companies they work with, Walmart, Hotels.com, Groupon, Priceline, Hotwire, all kinds of companies, Tom's, Hilton, you can do it for traveling and things like that. So the one thing is when you're using this, you do have to make sure that you do click activate to make sure you get your deals up in the corner. Okay, so the third way to earn Bitcoin for free in 2019 is to use Pay. I absolutely love this app. I would say for me personally, I love Pay the very most out of all of these. The reason is because I don't have to do anything to earn the Bitcoin other than just live my life, okay? So there are some merchants that are local that work with Pay in my local area that all I've got to do is spend money and go back and check my account and be like, oh yeah, that was one of the places that gave me cash back. So over the last month, I've been able to make about $15 doing nothing but just shopping. I mean, it doesn't sound like a significant amount, but if you were to say if Bitcoin were to go to 100,000, I mean, that could turn into a couple, like several hundred, even $1,000 a year just for shopping. So with Lolli, I really love Lolli, but you have to click activate and then you have to wait a while for your rewards to come in and things like that. So definitely love it for online shopping, but for just living my life, I love the Pay app. So I've got my account pulled up right here. You guys can see I've earned 1,487 points. This is over about 3.5 weeks. And you can see where I've been. Domino's Pizza. The kids love pizza. Target, McDonald's. Y'all can tell I'm unhealthy, but there it is. CVS, Dunkin' Donuts, Chick-fil-A, Taco Bell. Great clips. I got a haircut, earned some Bitcoin. That's right. I get my hairs cut at... Oh, I do have hairs, if you guys were wondering. You might have thought I didn't have hairs if this is your first time watching my video. I have so much hair. I could give people my hair. Okay. Starbucks. Look at that, guys. Starbucks, Uber, McDonald's again. And you guys can see, like, there's so many different places. Jet's Pizza. I love Jet's Pizza, man. They're so good. I don't know if you guys have one around your area, but they're good. So all you got to do is just spend it. I didn't think about it. I didn't say, you know what? I want to go to McDonald's. So, I want to earn some Bitcoin, so I'm going to go to McDonald's. I just go places I would normally go. So it's definitely a really good way. Now, they do have a referral program where you get $2.50 just for signing up. So all you got to do is use my code. It's HWRE1S. Let's see if I can change that. Can I change it? Yeah, I can. How about this? There we go. I've changed it. The code is BitBoy. All you have to do is download the Pay app. It's PEI. I'll show you guys what it looks like. The logo is in the bottom left-hand corner, PEI. Download it and put in the code BitBoy, and you're going to get $2.50 of Bitcoin for doing absolutely nothing. And then all you got to do is hook it up to your bank account, and you start earning Bitcoin. It's that easy. So we're coming from an era of like 2017, 2018, where it really was like, if you want to get free Bitcoin, you got to do like scammy things or shammy things, like, play gambling games or watch ads, which isn't necessarily scammy for the Brave browser, but for some places it is. Or you got to do these faucets where you got to keep going back and clicking and clicking and clicking to get a very small amount. In 2019, it's very easy to make a decent amount of Bitcoin over a year's time if you just do it the right way. So if you want to get into Bitcoin, but you're not ready to invest, these are some ways you can earn Bitcoin without doing anything, without having to risk everything or anything at that matter, and it's all house money for you. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about all three of these. I've got signups for all these down below if you'd like to sign up. BitBoy out.